I'm doing a dual degree in the MD MBA. The dual MD MBA program is a 5-year program. The first 3 years is spent entirely in the medical school. The 4th year is spent entirely in the business school, and the last year is spent both in the medical school and the business school. One of the projects that we had for class was to think about an issue in the business community, working with a business partner, one of which was a medical office, like a surgical center that we work with. That experience allowed me to connect with surgeons who are in my field, who are doing the job that I want to do. It allowed me to see the back doors of how to work a business and some of the issues that happen. My advice for prospective applicants is try to reach out to current students and alumni. They'll be able to provide insights that go deeper beyond what's advertised in the website, and it will help grow your network. Coming from an island community, I knew I wanted to be somewhere that had a similar culture, and I felt that from my interviews at Tulane and at the Freeman School that I could get that here. My dream is to return to the island and provide a much needed medical need in the head and neck space. And so hopefully I'll be able to open up my own private practice. The Freeman experience has been really refreshing. It allowed me to forge new connections and gain insights that were traditionally beyond the scope of medical education. And I feel the experience is an enriching chapter of my life that adds value to my overall academic and professional growth.